KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Kinong tray jong ka Mamlo Chera Cement Limited kibanana po kasatri jong ka Mamlo Chera Cement Employees Union hakasngi palay jong ka khatn reu tarik ubna jilleu arajar arpuar kila rai ban pensange shwashi por ya ka jingyaki hadin baka sarkar jilla kalapan por shitayo ban penur long ya ki jingdawa ki jongki Kinong tray jong ka MCCL kila shim ya ka nikarai hadin ka jingya kendo ya uchairman uba wailat miki shilla haga janmit sngi balang ka khat santarik ubna jilleu arajar arpuar hadin malapan sedangnya ke jinyaki de ka basyong kelain mengor hakmat ka head office jong ke MCCL ke badan halashumer Shillong hagajingya keren madu presiden jong ke union uba shanlang ding do ulayatho hadin gajingya kendo yo chairman uba wailat miki shilla nakaliang jong ke union kabalalum de kajingya lang kalarai ban pensange no shwa shipor ya kajingya ki tak hado banda penbena da kumwai pan
Minutes of meeting held between the chairman of MCCL and representative of the MCCU in the office chamber of the chairman on the 15th of June 2022. MCCL management represented by Shri W. Shila M.A.S. Chairman, Shri Kiling Do, the Chief General Manager. Naka Mamlo Chera Cement Employees represented by Shanlang Dingdo and Pascal Dingdo. At the outset, the chairman welcomed the executive members of the MCEU to their meeting. The chairman expressed his deep anguish at the plight faced by the employees ever since the shutdown of the plant in 2020, and also felt concerned that the employees had to resort to agitation for resolution of their demand. The chairman discussed in depth the various issues raised by the union. In this regard, he also informed the union members that the matter has been taken up by him personally with the Honorable Chief Minister and had proposed that till such time the joint venture process is finalized, that an interim financial assistance of 2 crores every quarter be kindly approved and sanctioned toward part payment of salary for the employees. A letter had also been submitted to the Honorable Minister of Commerce and Industries with a request for approval and sanction of the government. As the above matter will take some time to be processed and approved by the government, the chairman requested the union members to call off the agitation for now and give at least a week time to the management to follow up the matter and to get a written assurance from the government on the above proposal. Meanwhile, the chairman also requested the union members to furnish a list of those employees who are willing to opt for VRS to enable the management to examine the same and its financial feasibility. The chairman essentially hoped that the employees will lend their cooperation at all time. With no other matter to be discussed, the meeting ended with a vote of thanks from the chair. Subject set in demonstration by the employees union of the MCCL to press for early solution of their demand. Therefore, with different to the subject matter, I take this opportunity to inform the government that the employees of the MCCL under the banner of the Mamlo Chera Cement Employees Union have gone on an indefinite sit-in demonstration at the MCCL head office Shillong, starting from the 14th June 2022, to press for early resolution of their demand on 3 areas of concern. That is, number 1, paying of regular salary and pending dues. Number 2, speeding up the running of the plant. Number 3, implementation of PRS Golden Handshake Scheme to those willing to opt. In this regard, it is strongly felt that if the employees are assured for regular financial assistance, which is mentioned in the first point of demand, this would alleviate much of the problem, especially in this current situation when the plant is under shutdown since 2020 and the process of finding a joint venture partner for running the MCCL is still in process. It is therefore proposed to the government that till such time the joint venture process is finalized, an interim financial assistance of 2 crores every quarter be kindly approved and sanctioned toward part payment of salary for the employees. We also seek to request the government for a written assurance when the above proposal is sanctioned so as to enable the management to convey the same to the striking employees.
Terwaingi kalau di depan nomor bayar kini kecukupan kalau bayar klub mana ke sistem lagi pada kecukupan nomor bayar proses kemudian akan diproses kemudian pada kecukupan kompetisi juga dilakukan sesuatu dan kaitan kami jadi nak kata biru daga juga sorhi lembaga jalan komiti lembaga jalan komiti kabangila pulang mentang singet len itu saya juga di masa saya ila sih mereka ni bangsa sangat sita yuk ya isu hadbiri biar kapan biar ya ngira sibu ya kan kita tahu mangila sibu kita karai lembaga jalan penting katung kamat mangila bu maka usaha lembaga ni kan nomor 6 tiga ini kita ngilong bu nomor bah kod Islam balik raja kami kita pentingkan kembali ke sokaru bayar kita nong teri kita larim kita jangan ditayar sama sistem sistem katung ka jejak kejoki agak serius nama nanti tinggal ke company kalau down jadi nak kata suspasan umur ke sokaru buat keran ni tiada kali yang kejongi ru kinong pergi bamata agar mereka por ke bamata kita untuk kinong teri saya kita larim kita nak pergi jongki kita untuk kita mai kita untuk halang jongki service dan dia jongki tu kan iru ibu apa tu kita penting kamu kamu kat kembali ini dulu kuah mesuang te nakaliang kinong play namar bakam pun kanu objection hadian bala offer kalau mi kumtu kilaya dan pasport kan hadu menendu kembali ihi lembaga ni kami sekam ngilayo ru antur kam semdon kanu objection lagi ba na kinong kit kam ke bede jong ka union funju na executive committee te hadu mentaru na gajal budi nama nadu kuar jong yaki na kalian ke sarkar hadin ba mangingi ries ya kan ka tulop pangimio tulop na kapor ke namar nagaliang kami semen du kalau parlay sa production kata kade kajinge te hadu bangingi du ngelawan ha kapor bang sa kana ugi sambar arajar arpo hang ni apo am sapo head office and social tengila penbori ke sarkar dak bang sime kata ke benta bang demonstrate kata ke benta tendai nagaliang ke government ka kapor ka khot bani keren yang rengkat du local representative ibale tu sora bersila rengkat du bagi bor bahalo jadi nagaliang ka management dia ka kapor kalau khot dia ki local representative ibale nanti stakeholder jong ka imam mamu basara tendai yang ni ke bentangi nagaliang ke jongi yang ni isu ni bu syariat ni supaya ngorbe tangi lada kanu kamot isu ka bakta ya kayap ka im kami jong kada dut mentahi kadang long kalong sampai manhi namar mo pi kada ka financial system dede na kata kada ni TV namar ka pulok ka jongi ha bang sandur ri ngidon na kata kalunti ka ba ok kum ka service sul jong ka company kadon na ka jongi ka di ka ngai na ka dia ka department ko dia pe ka kadon kita tiendre ngan itu baya ka siunai ka jingka kadon kam menta long ya ka pulok na ka berkaki ngai kalaban kuai ya kasih klor kam habis tapi dia baru kena tolong mengibu amat balotong ya kalau nama mengilai bahkan ni election kasawat jadi nak kata kadau nak kaliang jongi lu kasa sistem yang i bangin nak sepo di office ko dalam kam sistem kunjung kom sepo di board balot ini nak kaliang kasawat di ban page yang ni kata tengi dengan kata kadau ngasi mengini rai bangun lembaga ni kan is demonstration bantu ya kan ni mak kaji dawa kalau bakin tu kam pergi bagum no bakin si ya kan financial assistant kat ba kade ka factory kimpala ni tidak nak kata kadau ni dawa kamat kerja ya ka management kunjung di government bakan ai nak asaran tidak nak kata kadau menin kesingil ya kan ka meeting ke kan bahasa bakunjung di bawah baru di to management ada banyak ai ingin bagian sisi ke mengilap i film bagi media tidak kata kadau ngilawara lembaga step committee aga bangilap yang ya kan jingkarwa yuki ba ka pankor na bagian streamline ba stabilize ya kan jingku hadian ya kan ila daga jitai kam kim dawa subu bakim umlong kumalapan ya keluar cita yo ya kan ingin ra lembaga step committee besi ya ki ai pat ki bagin shim da kuai wala si dula daga ngin ha bandra usia ka general committee